World Bank. Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Uju. I'm a new YouTuber based in Owerri. So today guys, I think 3 weeks ago I told you guys how I swallowed my my artificial, I'm not actually proud of saying, in the act of anger I swallowed my artificial teeth, and today I'm actually going to get the permanent one fixed. I've had this appointment over 3 days now, but due to work I'm not able to go. So today I'm going to get them fixed. So let's go together. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hey, the sound is too much. Jesus. This Gambia.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to Patriots, and today. Good morning. Welcome to Patriot Entertainment, and today we'll be giving her a set of
new
teeth.
I swallowed my teeth.
Swallowed it, so we're giving her a new set.
I swallowed myself. He's giving me a new teeth. So you guys, just stay.
second one, they are joined together so that the strength of one can hold
a little bit here at the end. I think when I bite, I kind of feel that. there's this tip here.
Yeah.
Feels,
It's lower. Don't. I'm not removing much things because I want it to set when you start brushing, it wear off. Okay? So that's that. Yeah, that's it. This color is not better. This is your color. That one is nice.
it was really white.
White. Have it?
It's not white. Hey guys. See, he actually fixed my teeth. I cannot smile. You know, I used to smile like this.
Are you serious?
No, that first one was a little bit
White.
bigger. No, bigger than my. I'll show you one picture. But this one is.
It blends.
So guys,
Well done.
tell him
Cheers.
thank you. I will leave his address and phone number in the description box. So you need to, if you're in Owerri.
No problem. Cheers.
So see you guys. As you can see, I now got my teeth back. So I will not swallow this one again.
Everything like
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not, I will
How
unfriend you.
many YouTube people do you have?
So guys, as you can see, I'm actually back to my mechanic workshop. Yeah, I am back to work. Let me show you guys that these I have cars. Let me go and walk cars. I have actually clients waiting for me in my next video. And thanks for watching. Bye. And don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. See ya. Bye.